It might be something that your team is terrified of, but it is absolutely something I want you to aspire to, and that is becoming redundant. Now, for your staff, becoming redundant is bad news bears because, of course, it means you're letting them go, right? But when you are the business owner, there is a really important point to becoming redundant in your business. What that means, what do I mean when I say make yourself redundant in your own business? What I mean is put processes, put people, put team, put supports, put strategies and systems and scaffolding in place, test it over time, perfect it, get it working so well that your business will run smoothly whether you are there or not. This means that you can go on holidays. This means you can take maternity leave. This means you could die and your business would continue to run. But do you know what? There's actually an even bigger reason why I want you to make yourself redundant in your business. And this is for the business owner who wants to go way next level. This is for the business owner who knows that beyond a successful business, they've got more to offer. They've got more to give. They've got more to share with their community. So this is the business owner who is aware or becoming aware that they perhaps have some kind of knowledge or expertise or special skill set that is above the running of their business. It might be that you want to build a personal brand and help other business owners like I do. Or it might be that you want to build a personal brand that gets you on the speaking circuit. It might be that above and beyond your own business, there's more that you want to achieve. Now, part of that process is understanding what influence you have. Now, I've been working away all day today here on the banks of the Murray River. If you've been watching my Instagram stories, you will know that just over there, just over here, is Trentham Estate Vineyard. We spent maybe half an hour having a lovely little wine tasting, and then it was back, nose firmly pressed to the grindstone, while we work hard bringing some exciting things to our businesses. Now, the thing that I've been working on is something that I can't give you yet, but I want you to watch this space, because if what I'm talking about is of interest to you, if your ears have pricked up around making yourself redundant in your business, about knowing that there's more that you've got to offer, if you know that I'm talking to you, I've got something for you coming. And it's a freebie. It's a freebie. It's going to give you some things to think about to help you emerge beyond the daily hustle and grind of running your business. Some things that you'll need to think about to really embrace the influence that you actually have. And there are 3 levels of infinite influence that I talk about. The first is influence within your business. So that's the internal influence that you have. And this is when you get things running well. You've got a team and a culture and processes in place that stamp your authority over things from a place of respect that you've earned and from a place of trust that you've earned over time. So the freebie that I will soon be making available for you goes through some of the things you need to think about to have that happen for you and for your business. The second element is external influence. Now, this is what we talk about when we use the word influencer, which I hope is fading because it's a bit of a silly word, really. External influence is the place you have in the community. It's how influential you and your business are within your special area of interest and expertise. And by influence, I mean, how are you known? What are you known for? Are you a bit of a thought leader? And I will explain to you what that actually means, because thought leadership is actually, again, one of those terms that's thrown around a lot, but not a lot of people actually understand what it means. It means that you're a trusted source of information. It means that you have informed opinions and you're generous enough to share those to help others. So what external influence do you have in your community, both your business and you personally? And then the third, and this is the golden nugget, the third is market influence. So market influence is really, what have you got to sell? And I don't mean products and services, I mean a business that is a saleable asset. Now that's a journey, it's a long journey, it's a long game, it's not something you should enter into quickly, suddenly and lightly. It's a process. As you know, I have recently sold part of my business and it took time to get to that point. So there are some things that you need to think about, and my little downloadable gem that I will be releasing soon will give you some tips, at least a couple of starting points. No free downloadable is going to give you the whole of everything you're ever going to need to know ever about selling your business. That's really a book or a course or a program or a mentorship relationship. But I want you thinking about it now. I want you to start thinking about how are you going to emerge in your business ownership journey above and beyond the successful running of your business. Personal branding, what's that all about? It's actually about reputation and legacy. What reputation and legacy do you have? What are you known for? What's your special area of interest? We call it niche. Niche, what does that mean? It means your special area of interest. It means what you're really damn good at and what you just, you glow when you talk about it. What comes to mind when you think of that? When you think of the work that you do that brings you that feeling? So today, it's just a little introduction to this concept of making yourself redundant. This concept of being conscious that there is more to business ownership than business ownership. There is more to being successful in your business than just running it smoothly. There is a lot more to it than that. And in fact, the freedom and flexibility that drew you into owning your own business in the first place, it's still there. You've just missed that it's a longer journey than you realized initially. You've underestimated how much, not just how much work's involved to get to that point of freedom and flexibility, but what path you should be on, and also what are the goals? What goals do you need to have in mind to get you to that place of freedom and flexibility? And that's that place of influence. That's emerging from the noise of the sameness and rising above and being stronger, braver, and more visible than you've been before. So keep your eyes peeled, because there will be something coming. If you're on my email list, you'll definitely be informed. If you're following my social media, you'll definitely be informed. Don't be afraid to hit me up with a message if you'd like to know more. I am working on a program that speaks to these concepts, but that's a little bit further down the track. But this free resource will be ready for you. Who can say? Perhaps by the time I disembark this ship on Friday morning. We'll see how we go. Have a fabulous night. I'm excited to share some of this with you as this is unfolding. This is why I'm here, working on the banks of the Murray River with some very special like-minded people. And that's what happens when we're live. Our husbands call us. So have a fabulous night. Go and talk to your families. Go and have your dinner. Go and order your cheese pizzas. And I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye for now.